Greetings everybody and welcome to the channel Riot of the Hot Pink Ukulele. I am decided to do something a little different in my life. I decided to take up a musical instrument. Now I'm not somebody who is musically inclined. I am not talented in any way when it comes to musical instruments. I've never played a musical instrument before, but I figured why not start by playing the ukulele. So I bought myself a nice soprano ukulele off Amazon, and I figured why not learn a musical instrument. So with that being said, I have only had it for about 4 days and I've been practicing, and this is my first video. There'll be more videos to come as I progress in my learning of how to play the ukulele. So far this is a little ditty that I kind of just strummed up on the spot, a little something. I hope you guys all like it. There's gonna be more to come. I just always wanted to kind of make music about, you know, just nature and life in general, and this is going to be my first ever go at it, so I hope everybody enjoys.